Hi guys, it's me, the Mint Fox, and I'm here to help you get started with your new Mint Mobile phone service. First things first, we must install that magical Mint SIM card that you just got in the mail. It's pretty simple, but if you're like this guy, well then listen up. First, get your phone manual out to find out what size SIM your phone requires. Standard, micro, or nano. And you can also find out where your SIM slot is located. Now, I recommend checking the table of contents in the manual so you don't have to read through the whole thing, because it's fucking boring. Hey, I don't know what that beep is all about. I said foxing. Now, if you can't find your phone manual, or you don't even want to read the thing, hey, again with the beeps? I said foxing. Well, anyways, there's always Google. You should try it. All right, let's start with the back of the phone. Now, while the phone is turned off, remove the back cover. Then, find your SIM slot. This may require removing your battery. Now, very gently, like you're handling a little baby bird, insert your Mint SIM into the designated slot with the logo facing up. Now, once that's over, replace your back cover and turn your phone back on. Oh, don't forget the battery. You know, I always like keeping the battery in my phone because it makes it work. Yeah, I can't explain it. I don't know why. Anyways, and there you have it. Done. Great work. Now, if your SIM is located on the side of your phone, use this handy SIM tool in the tiny hole located next to the slot to pop open the tray. Place the SIM with the logo facing up and close it. There, done and done. And that's it. Easy, right? Now get back to your texting and your scrolling, and please be careful when speaking to other humans in real life. You know, a lot of assholes out there. Anyway, see you later.